Hey there, I'm Dr. Gerald Dozier from Simply Cyber Academy, and I see you struggling with the same challenge I hear about every day. You're ready to dive into cybersecurity, but everywhere you look, you just find endless lists of resources with zero guidance on how to actually use the resource themselves. And it's overwhelming, I get it, okay? That's why I created the Cyber Career Launchpad, and here's what makes it different. I don't just give you resources and leave you hanging. In this completely free course, I show you exactly how to use each resource through detailed walkthrough videos. You'll watch over my shoulder as I demonstrate how to extract value from every single tool and platform. I basically break it down and show you this is why you'd want to use this resource. Here's the value. Be careful with this, etc., etc. Think of it like having a cyber mentor right beside you, guiding you through each step. No more staring at links wondering, now what do I do? No more wasted time figuring things out alone. We'll cover security fundamentals, network analysis tools that you'd use daily, SOC and incident response platforms, hands-on practical environments, so much more. And the best part, again, the course is completely free, and it always will be. This is my commitment to the cybersecurity community to help you launch your career with confidence. Ready to stop collecting links and start building real skills? Join me at Simply Cyber Academy's Cyber Career Launchpad, and let's transform those overwhelming resource lists into practical knowledge that launches your cyber career. Click below to start your journey. Your future in cybersecurity can begin now. I hope you enjoy the course. Let's go.